Hi and welcome to the Outdoor and Adventure Expo in Grabouw. This is an absolutely fantastic setting. Look at the Hottentot Holland Mountains in the background, next to the Eikenhof Dam. We've got lots of exhibitors, caravans, motor vehicles. It's family friendly, it's dog friendly. We've got suspensions, tires, we've got fireplaces, lots of outdoor and adventure things that we do here.
Hi, I'm Robert from the Macklin Biltong, the best biltong in the Western Cape, and we're having a wonderful time at the Outdoor and Adventure Expo.
Lots of food carts, and this is an absolutely fantastic event for the whole family. Opa and Oma can come, dogs on leashes, kids. We've got a big kids playground, and we have some go-karts where people can go and drive.
Oh, it's a fantastic outdoor and adventure show, and one not to be missed.
Already booked our place for next year, so guys, you're missing out if you're not here.
Very nice show. A lot of people visiting us today. It's a great place, great opportunity to meet potential customers.
Phenomenal. It just keeps getting bigger and bigger every single year.
It's really nice. We've been here last year and we'll definitely be back next year.
Come and visit us. It's the best place to be today.
We'll definitely be back at the Outdoor and Adventure Expo next year.
And thank you very much to all the exhibitors. I think this makes it, you know, the quality of the exhibitors and also the people that came through, the day visitors. I think you had a fantastic time, and we hope to see you next year.